Guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog, dude. So today is going to be a freaking hectic day, dude. See, first of all, it's Friday. Second of all, this car needs to go get aligned. Third of all, I'm surprising my sister today. Fourth of all, the black truck is getting its new tires. Thank you so freaking much, dude. Seriously, we reached 2,000 subs. I don't even know what to tell you guys other than thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. Now, for the next goal, of course, it's gonna be 3,000. Hopefully we get to hit that soon. I honestly never ever thought I would get to 2,000. And I honestly, like I said in the other video, never thought I'd get to 500. I never even thought I would even get one subscriber. Like, I'm just honestly doing YouTube for fun because I love doing it. I just love carrying a camera around, and it's my thing. I just love doing it. I don't know why. I don't know. I just love it. But thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate you. Running a little bit late. So the whole deal today, it's 7:30 right now. I'm gonna drop the car off. This car was supposed to be at the shop, as you guys know, by 10 o'clock today. To get aligned, they're gonna have to do like shims and stuff to be able to align this car, to fix the camber on it. But there's no way, because I have to be an hour away by 9 o'clock to drop off my sister's car. I'll explain my whole sister's thing in a little bit. You guys will totally understand everything right now. And then my truck also has to be there, so my sister can't go with me because I'm surprising her. She has no idea what she's getting. My black truck has to be at the same place, so I ended up having to ask my dad to see if he could help me out and follow me with my sister's car to get this all done. It's gonna be a fun day. Gonna spend it with my dad out there. But on top of all of this, guys, it is Friday, and as you guys know, it is payday for everybody. It's gonna be a hectic day. It's gonna be a mess. I already know it. I gotta run to the packing house, get the checks, and like, it's just, dude, it's gonna be one of those days. So you guys stay tuned. It should be fun for you guys. Hope you guys love this video. Please, if you do, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, if you're part of the 50% that is watching my videos and is not subscribed, just help me out, dude. Smash the subscribe button. It'll be easier on you. You don't have to go search for me. You can just get notified every time I post if you click on that notification bell. So everybody that has not clicked on the notification bell, make sure to do that also. Me and Maxie will be working on this car after this alignment. So I don't know if that'll be today just because of how hectic today will be, but hopefully this weekend. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, so now let me explain the entire surprising my sister thing. So my sister and my brother-in-law got this 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It's all white, it's really nice. I showed it to you guys when I think it was on the window tint, or when they smoked the headlights on my McLaren. She had also got the windows tinted on the car. Well, they ended up asking me if I could help them out with basically doing a little uplift on the car, right? Just making it look good, because let's face it, the Jeep Gladiators look a little funny when they come stock, right? The nose is like to the ground, the ass is up in the sky, and the wheels and tire combo that they just did for those cars just don't really look all that great. So my brother-in-law literally left it all up to me. So I ended up contacting Mo and ended up getting her a front leveling kit, got her some wheels and tires. It's now finally in. And so now we get to install everything, and then we get to take the Jeep home to my sister and surprise her with it, because she has no idea what the hell's going on. My brother-in-law has no idea on what's going on. They literally just gave me the money and said, here, do what you gotta do, make this thing look good. It's pretty much all that happened. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I ended up going with a 20 by 12 inch wheel, and we're doing some 33 by 12 50s inch tires. And then we're doing the front leveling kit, because my sister doesn't want a lift kit. She just wanted it to sit level with some nice wheels and tires. So that's exactly what she's gonna get. She's always out like in her little ranch and stuff like that. She's always in the dirt and just always doing little things. So she wanted, you know, just a pretty good sized tire Nothing too thin where she's gonna actually, you know, where she can curb the wheel or anything like that. Talking about curbing, dude, I literally just hit a rock with this truck and the 35s on the front wheel over here. It sucks, but it is what it is, whatever. I need to get some new wheels for this thing, honestly. So I'm gonna try and talk Mo into hooking me up with some Forces so I can rep his company. Mo actually owns Force wheels, so it's pretty dope, and I think he's getting some polished ones here soon, and hopefully, maybe just hopefully, I can swoop some up for this truck. But yeah, anyways, I just kind of wanted to explain all of that, my whole sister's deal. I was supposed to get some B-roll right now of the Jeep Gladiator driving next to me, but my dad is probably like 30 minutes behind me because it was just an absolute mess this morning. So that didn't go as planned, but at least you guys will get to see the Gladiator get done up. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for my sister. I'm excited for this truck, dude. I didn't even explain what this truck. So this truck, I'm doing the 33s. The 33s. I'm gonna set this truck back down a little bit, lower it a little bit, and it's probably just gonna come down like an inch all the way around, and then I'm gonna run the 33s again. You guys are gonna see the look that I love on this truck, and I actually used to run it like this when I first lifted it, and then I messed up and bought 35s. But yeah, so I'm almost to Mo's. Let's get started on this truck. There he goes. Yo, seriously, dude, that was the longest day ever. It is 6:30 right now. Literally just left Fresno. 6:30. Been here since like 9, as you guys know. That's insane, dude. All freaking day. Me and my dad. My dad's a trooper because he wasn't expecting to be stuck here for this long. But the Jeep turned out amazing. Oh my god, dude, that thing turned out, seriously guys, it looks so good. I hope you guys liked it on that little roll up. My dad actually ended up taking off just a little bit before me, but he's a grandpa, he drives a little slow. You guys already know that. So I'm gonna catch up to him really soon, and I want to get some rollers of that Jeep, dude. Seriously, like, it turned out amazing. Like, it went from like a 5 to like a 15, just like that, dude. It's insane what a lift, wheels, and tires can do. I think she's gonna be super excited, so we're actually on our way to go take it to her now. Again, she has no idea what wheels, what tires, what lift, what the car even looks like. She has no idea at all. Like I said, dude, my brother-in-law literally just, they gave me the money and said, make it look good. Literally all that happened. So super dope. I love doing this kind of stuff, dude. Building trucks and cars is my favorite thing to do. On the other hand though, like, the 33s on my truck look amazing, dude. I didn't get to really show you guys exactly what the 33s look like on it because we were just kind of in a hurry, but I'll show you as soon as we get over to my nephew's house, which is where my sister is. I'm like crossing my fingers that my sister's gonna like it. I know she's gonna like absolutely fall in love with it, and she's just gonna be like so in love with it. So I'm excited to see this. I'm excited to see her reaction. I don't know if it's gonna be like a cool reaction. I hope she cries, dude. If she cries for this, and it's gonna be insane. I don't think she's gonna cry for it though, but she's gonna be super excited. Hopefully she's gonna be super excited. I really think she's gonna love it, dude, because she's always liked my style of like how I build my trucks, and and my cars and stuff like that. So she literally put full trust into this and said, here, go build it. I see my dad quite a ways out. All right, so I'm just gonna have my camera out and ready just in case. I really hope they're not outside. I don't think they'll be outside, but you just never know. This dude's doing work right here. What up? Oh, huh? Think you like it? What's up? She here? Oh, she's in the back? All right, I'm gonna go in there. Rachel! You ready for this?
Oh my gosh, you're here!
Let's go. Popo. Hey!
Hey!
Hey, Jade! You guys remember her? She was born? Hey! What's up? What's happening?
¿Y tu papá?
Ahí está afuera.
¿Oye, llegó?
Ya, aquí está el
¿Que
Jeep.
lo habías dejado ahí atrás?
No, aquí está.
It's good looking.
Vamos a ver.
Alright, let's see. First reaction. You should have seen Gina's reaction to it right now.
Oh my god.
Ay, caray.
Let's look. ¿Se ve bien?
Look at your
Ya, se ve
car, mama.
Ahora sí parece.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
You like it?
Oh my god.
Did I do good?
You did really good, babe.
Excelente.
Excellent.
Cambió un frío.
Oh my gosh.
It's like perfect, huh?
It's like perfect.
Yep.
Wow. Hey, Dad.
Hello, amiga.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, yo te la baby.
¿Cómo quedó? ¿Bien? Yeah. Yep. Bien parejita.
It's like, oh my gosh.
I was just telling him that you normally don't have, like, you normally never customize your cars.
No, it's
and so
usually
this is like, yeah, just a little lift,
just
wheels
like,
and
you know.
tires. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like,
You're welcome.
well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you,
Right?
Chito. I
Thank
just
you,
chose the
Chito.
stuff. Yeah, he paid for it. I just chose the stuff. But I didn't even show you guys. So it has a 2.5 or 3 inch lift up front. We went with the 20 by 12 Force wheels. This brand is actually owned by Mo, my buddy that actually owns West Coast. And then we did the 33 1250 20s. So it turned out super dope. As you guys seen, she did like it a lot. I mean, this thing, seriously, dude, it's like a huge difference right here.
Is that the dealers?
Yeah, where it's just super wide.
Yeah.
No, las del dealer no tenían nada.
No, nothing like this. But,
Yeah, no.
But you can tell they were wider, you know?
Yeah, they normally don't go that wide, and that's the one thing that I like. Just the width, it's so dope.
I can't even like, I don't know what to say. It's so pretty.
Yeah,
It's like gorgeous. It's like perfect.
yeah, I love it. It turned out perfect, and it rides really good. Straight, yeah, smooth. Thank you. And you guys seen her reaction firsthand, dude. She was super excited, honestly, guys. She was like, again, she doesn't really like being on camera, so she was kind of asking me not to really get her that much. She's just super shy, but she was like so in love with the Jeep, dude. Honestly, everybody was. I am too. It is so dope. The truck looks amazing now with the 33s, dude. It's exactly what I was wanting. We didn't get to lower it a little bit, what I needed to. I still need to lower it a little bit. It's gonna go down about 1.5 inches or so all around. Gonna get the new shocks put on. They weren't in yet. But I gotta finish some stuff off here at the office. So that is gonna be it for today's vlog. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much. Everybody that has been subscribing, I truly appreciate you guys so much. That was weird. Thank you guys so much, honestly. If you guys have not smashed the subscribe button, help me out, smash it. There's a 50% of you guys watching my videos that has not yet subscribed. So what are you waiting for? Smash it now. I will see you guys on the next one. Always remember, what we think, we become. Peace.